and sweet. B is for banana, a delightful treat. C is for cat who curls at your feet. D is for dancing to a groovy beat. E is for elephant, big and so grand. F is for fish, swimming by land. G is for grape, purple in your hand. H is for hat worn by a marching band. A, B, C, sing it loud and clear. 1, 2, 3, add some joy and cheer. Learning letters every day. Come on kids, let's shout hooray! I is for igloo, made out of ice. J is for jelly, so sticky and nice. K is for kite, flying up to the skies. L is for laughter in everyone's eyes. M is for monkey who loves to play. N is for night, followed by day. O is for octopus in the bay. P is for popcorn, a tasty display. A, B, C, sing it loud and clear. 1, 2, 3, add some joy and cheer. Learning letters every day. Come on kids, let's shout hooray! Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow shining over town. S is for sun that never lets us down. T is for train going round and round. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin that starts to play. W is for whale splashing in the bay. X is for xylophone we tap away. Y is for yogurt, creamy and cool. Z is for zebra trotting off to school. We've learned all the letters, isn't that cool? Let's sing it again, that's the golden rule. A, B, C, sing it loud and clear. 1, 2, 3, add some joy and cheer. Learning letters every day. Come on kids, let's shout hooray!